If you've ever yelled at your screen because a div just would not center, you are not alone. Centering a div in CSS is one of the most asked questions on Stack Overflow. So in this video, we'll walk through the main ways to do it and when to use each one. Let's start simple. To center a fixed width box horizontally, the classic way is set a width on the div, then add margin 0 auto. That tells the browser to split the leftover horizontal space equally on both sides. Boom, centered left to right. But that doesn't handle vertical centering. Before modern CSS, vertical centering was annoying. One common trick was using position absolute with top 50%, left 50%, transform, translate -50%, -50%. That pushes the element to the middle, then pulls it back by half its own size. It works, but it's not very intuitive, and it can get messy in responsive layouts. Today, the best tools for centering are Flexbox and CSS Grid. With Flexbox, you center like this. On the parent container, write display, flex, justify content, center, align items, center. That's it. The child div drops right into the center, both horizontally and vertically. It works no matter how big the content is, and it's easy to read later. Flexbox is great when you have one main axis of content, like a row of cards or a centered hero section. CSS Grid is just as simple. On the parent, use display, grid, place items, center. Place items is basically a shortcut that centers the children in both directions. Grid really shines when your layout is more complex, like full page grids or dashboards, and you still want items centered in their cells. So here's the quick recap. Use margin 0 auto for basic horizontal centering. Use the old position and transform trick only if you're working in very legacy code. Use Flexbox for most modern layouts that need easy, flexible centering. Use Grid when you're already building a grid layout and want precise control. If you want to turn explanations like this into your own animated explainer videos without touching a timeline or learning motion design, head over to vidfactory.ai. Just bring your idea, type your script, and let the tool handle the animation for you. Thanks for watching, and happy centering!